Anong next?
Inspect the auricles for color.
Inspect the auricle for the color, size, and symmetry. Your auricle is what? The structure of the ear itself. Ito po, auricle po tawag natin. This is your auricle. So inspect, tignan nyo muna. Pantay po ba yung tenga niya? Okay. Mukhang pantay naman. Check, okay ba yung kulay niya? Ano dapat ang kulay ng tenga?
Brown.
Brown. Depende yan sa complexion mo, siyempre. Kakulay dapat yan na complexion mo lang. Okay, ano pa? Check also. Okay, check if symmetrical, pantay ba yung location? Okay, yung baka mas mataas yung isa, mas mababa. Okay, what else? Check, sabi nga natin, tingnan nyo yung anterior part na auricle na nakakonect sa head is aligned with the eyes dapat. Okay, anong next? Okay, so we'll now be palpating the auricles for what? For texture, what else?
Elasticity.
What else?
Tenderness.
Areas of tenderness. So you just palpate. Huwag naman yung gigil na gigil ko. Ikapain nyo lang, pakiramdaman nyo kung makaka-feel kayo ng buhok or any tenderness or any signs na merong infection. Okay, so tignan nyo na rin kung intact yung tenga niya, baka natatanggal na pala. Okay, so naka-intact pa naman. Wala ko na-feel na areas of tenderness. Wala rin siyang nararamdamang pain. Ano next?
Otoscope.
Okay, so we'll now be using now your pen light. Okay, so tingin ka muna doon sa left. Okay, so how will you now check the ear of the patient using your pen light? Paano mo kikilain yung tenga niyo? How will you pull now the auricle or the peanut?
Palikod.
Ready? Palikod tapos?
Palikod pagka.
Actually, magkaiba sa adult and sa child. Pag sa adult po na tenga, ang ginagamit na is back tapos pataas. Pag sa bata, back and then down. Same when applying your eardrops. Ganun po. Bakit we are now following the anatomical structure for an adult and a child? So adult na siya, so back and then up, tsaka natin iilawan with the pen light para ma-visualize natin yung eardrum sa loob. Kasi kung hindi mo hinila yan, pakurba, hindi mo makikita. So back and then up, then you shine the light. Okay, tingnan nyo yung ear canal niya, tingnan nyo kung mayaman na ba siya. Okay, so there is a presence of cerumen or earwax. And the eardrum or the tympanic membrane is intact. Okay? So normally, ano ba dapat ang kulay ng eardrum? What is the normal color of the eardrum?
Red.
No, actually, it is what? It is glossy white or pearl white na tinatawag. Hindi siya pinkish, hindi siya reddish, hindi greenish, lalo na. Should be pearl white or glossy white. So back and then up. Dinilawan, check the ear canal, check for any signs of discharges, any redness, swelling. Check also for the ear canal. Check for the eardrum kung intact pa ba, kung namamaga, or na-rupture na. So okay naman. Okay, minimal na ang cerumen. Very good, malinis yung technique. Okay, anong next? Yan. So yan na yung sinabay natin. While checking now for the ear canal, for the external ear, you also check the tympanic membrane. Anong next?
Assess the client's response to normal voice tones.
Ayan na. So we will be now performing now your different hearing tests. Starting first with your voice test. Okay. Ito ang gagawin natin. We call it as your whisper test. Anong gagawin? Mamili ka ng isang word with 2 syllables. Okay. Then yun ang gagamitin natin to whisper to our patient. Anong gagawin? Takpan mo muna yung tenga niyang isa. Okay. To check the other ear. Then dito tayo bubulong. At least arm length. Okay. Bubulong ka dito. Mamili ka ng word. Dapat ma-repeat niya. Ulitin mo yung sasabihin ko nga. Okay? Hotdog. Very good, hotdog. Sa kabila naman, takpan natin. Dito naman tayo bubulong. Very good, siomai. Okay? So positive, okay ang whisper test. Nalito, right and left ear. Okay, anong susunod? We perform now your watch stick test na tinatawag. What you will do, you will now use your analog watch. Okay. At least 1 inch ang layo sa tenga. So ididikit mo ganyan, then you ask the patient kung may naririnig ba siya. Ay, naririnig ka. So positive, meron sa right. How about sa left? Positive, meron din. So positive yung both ears for the watch stick test. Anong next?
Weber test.
So we'll be now performing your Weber's test using now what? Your tuning fork and your percussion hammer. Paano natin siya gagawin? Paano natin gagamitin? Saan natin ilalagay yung tuning fork? Saan ilalagay? We'll now place it where? In the center of the cranium and saan? In the center of the forehead. Okay, anong gagawin? Ilalagay tapos mamartin ulit. Hindi po. Hindi ganun. Okay? Anong gagawin? You just, okay, percuss the tuning fork, saka nyo ilagay. Hindi yung baliktad na ganun. Okay? Then you ask the patient kung may maririnig siya. Okay? So we will try. So ideally, dapat tahimik. Sabihin mo sa akin kung may maririnig ka. Okay? So let's try. Meron? Ha? Meron naririnig mo. Okay. So next, sa forehead naman. So tandaan yung resulta, meron daw, sabi niya. So let's try sa in between the forehead. Meron?
Hindi ko sure kung galing dyan or sa labas.
Baka dito.
Parang,
So meron. Kasi wala naman nanggaling sa labas. Okay. So meaning, positive naririnig niya from the center of the cranium and the center of the forehead. So tandaan nyo, i-interpret natin mamaya yung result. Okay, anong next?
Ryan test.
You will now perform your Ryan test or Renee test. Okay, so Ryan test, same, using also your tuning fork and the percussion hammer. Anong gagawin? You will now strike again. Pero tanong sa muna next ilalagay. You will now place it where? At the back of the ear, sa may bony prominence, sa may mastoid. Hindi tayo mabuto dyan sa likuran, kapay nyo. Doon na natin sa ididikit. Then pagdikit, anong gagawin? O orasan. Paano mo malalaman pag wala na? Pag sinabi ni patient, stop. Okay, nakuha mo? So pagdikit ko ngayon, pag wala ka nang marinig, sabi mo stop. Pag sinabi ang stop, okay, dapat nakuurasan mo. Pag sabi ang stop, lipat ka naman sa harapan. Without striking again the tuning fork. Lipat mo sa harapan. Pakinggan mo na naman, orasan mo ulit. Then kailan mag-stop? Pag sinabi ni patient, stop. Then you compare. Okay. Anong kino-compare natin? We are now comparing the bone conduction from the air conduction. Nakuha? Nakuha mo yung instruction? Ilang beses ka mag-stop? Dalawa. Okay, so let's try. Okay? So pagka-strike, pagdikit, orasan nyo. So pag nag-stop siya, lipat sa harapan, orasan nyo naman hanggang mag-stop ulit. Okay? So let's try. Yun na. Okay? So pag ginamit nyo ito, huwag nyo hawakan yung pro. Only the base. Okay?
stop.
Okay, so sa bone conduction niya is 13 seconds. Doon sa kanyang air conduction is 10 seconds. Ano mas maka? Yung bone conduction. Okay? Anong next? Document the findings on the client's record. Okay, sige, balik din. So that is for your ears.